All right, I want to show you guys how I've been using the smart search feature. I mainly use it to find things that I don't remember the exact keywords for, um, but I vaguely remember what they were about. So let me go through some examples. So there is a piece that I read on this Substack by this woman, Haley, about how humans act more like machines and machines act more like humans. I don't remember her language, but I'm going to try to find it here. So Haley Nachman on how humans act more like machines as machines act like humans. So it's pulled up a couple things. I mean, this is her Substack, but this is not what I was looking for. And then this is exactly what I was looking for. So this basically understood maybe AI is only as unsettling as we are. And this is exactly the highlight that I was meaning to find for something that I want to sort of write and mull over. So that's a good example of how the smart results just very different from basic. Another example is there's this quote that I added from this book that I'm reading, and it's about how writing is what allows you to work out problems. And it is by the author Sarah Manguso. I don't remember her exact words, but the basic doesn't actually show me that. Whereas the smart, okay, here it is, number 3. So this was exactly the quote I was looking for, that I actually linked to in this product update email. And then, there's this quote by Rory Sutherland that I heard on a podcast about how left-brained people are just given the benefit of the doubt, whereas right-brained people have to sort of prove themselves. I don't remember his language, but I'm going to say Rory Sutherland on how left-brained people are given the benefit of the doubt, whereas right-brained people have to justify themselves. This is definitely not the language he used, but the basic will basically look keywords, so it's going to pull stuff from Rory, but the smart is going to pull exactly the quote that I was looking for. We've created this world where left-brained people are free to act on their narrow rational behaviors, whereas the burden of proof demanded of a creative act is 20 times greater. So that's sort of the gist of it. Of course, you could use it not just to find things in your own words that you know are in your library, but also the general search. If you're thinking about what human skills will be valuable in a world of AI, you can see some cool stuff here. So it's pretty broad, but we've got a lot of work to do to make this better, but let us know how it feels.